some smoke here, but don't worry, it won't affect the flavor. You'll start to kind of get some of the kitchen smells. I don't know if you can smell the garlic.
Right, without a doubt.
You know, a little bit of the caramelized sugar there, some of the spice.
I know it smells really good. It ought to complement nicely Korean-style sauce going on top of this fish.
Okay, so this is a spinach side dish. Over here we have some bean sprouts, some mung bean sprouts. You'll notice that a lot of the ingredients are definitely very much similar, but as you add them to different preparations, they lend themselves to the natural flavor of the ingredient. The final side dish is pickled cucumbers. I'm adding in a paste that I made earlier with garlic, sesame seeds, some gochujang and gochugaru, and we'll just give this a nice mix. And if you're cooking this for your family at home or whatever you're doing, feel free to get your hands in there. You want to kind of make sure that the flavors are mixed through totally. So we'll start off by marinating this fish with a little bit of sesame oil. Captain Zach was kind enough to tell me one of the tricks he uses when he's cooking redfish is to use the little bloodline vessel here that he's cut out. We'll let that sit, marinate a little bit, use that bloodline vessel to kind of get all the flavors in there.
Check on the fish, Rue?
Checking on the fish.
Oh, look at that. You can kind of see like how well it's pulling apart from the skin that's underneath here.
Yeah, it's pulling apart really great to the
And
point.
we're cooking a lot hotter than it was when I was smoking that fish earlier.
Please,
do it with your hands.
safety
Please do it
first.
with your hands.
Please.
What a frickin' champion. I wouldn't do that.
I know you wouldn't.
You're amazing.
Okay, nice, juicy, tender. Woo! Let's go make some food with this.